In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Target gift card. So for those people who do not know Target, Target is the biggest retail store in America and there's two ways to redeem it. The first way is you guys can go to the store physically, buy your stuff and use your gift card as a payment method. And then another way I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, which is on online. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, you're watching One Step YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's move on, shall we? First step is you want to come to target.com and log in into your account. After you do that, you want to click on your username over here. After you log in into your account, your username will be displayed. Once you click on it, you're going to see gift cards over here. You want to click on where it says save to account. Once you click on it, it's going to take you over here. You want to click on save a new gift card. Once you do that, you can enter your card number over here and the access number and click on add. And all this information is going to be on your gift card, so don't worry about it. After you enter the information and click on add, if the information you enter here is correct, your gift card will be added, or in another word, redeemed. So that's basically how you guys can redeem your Target gift card. Hope you guys were able to understand. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye.